Okay, so what are you saying, people, and welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel. So today, guys, we've got beginner's guide to technical analysis. Now, technical analysis is a very broad spectrum. I mean, two people can look at the exact same chart. One person can look to buy, one person can look to sell, and both of them can give you good, valid reasons to buying or selling the same market on the exact same time frame. So it tells you that there's no real right and there's no real wrong in technical analysis, just methods, strategies, and consistency through those strategies. So the goal of this video is to give you a clear path, a clear guide through technical analysis, because if not, you can be everywhere and anywhere at the exact same time, and not necessarily more knowledge is the right answer in this type of scenario. More knowledge in the strategy you're trading is good, very, very good. But knowledge just scattered everywhere is not going to do any justice, because some things are going to tell you to sell, some things are going to tell you to buy. You're going to have a lot of contradiction and not really understand what is going on for your trading or in the market. So guys, this video will give you a good, clear guide through technical analysis, show you what the core things we're looking at, what the core things that I look at, and all the things we can use as confluence to help our trading. So I'll be doing more in-depth videos on different technical tools and aspects: support, resistance, key levels, market structure, candlesticks, trend lines, fib, moving averages, all different type of technical stuff we can use to help our trading. I'll be doing more in-depth videos in those techniques in the future, so make sure you subscribe to stay in tune. Hit the bell so you don't miss out on any uploads as well. But yeah, guys, without further ado, let's get straight back into it. Okay guys, welcome. So on our screen is our beginner's guide to technical analysis. Now on the left are our technical tools, techniques we use to interpret, analyze the market, tell us when to buy and sell. And on our right are our styles, or our three main types of trading the market. So I'm going to talk you through the right, and then we'll go into the left and show you how we combine them. So on the right, we've got pullback, continuation, reversal, and consolidation. Now these are the three main types of trades. For me, 90% of my trades are pullback or / continuation. These are just two words that are saying the exact same thing. So pullback, continuation, we are looking for the trend to continue. We're waiting for the market to pull back and then continue in the trend. Here is a bullish example, the market heading to the upside. As you can see, higher highs and higher lows. I'll be doing more in-depth videos on market structure in the future, so keep an eye out for that. But in this case, I'm looking to buy the market when it pulls back, takes a correction. I'm looking to buy it back up and simply follow the trend. Here I'm doing the opposite, waiting for the market to correct to the upside in a bearish trend, and I'm looking to sell it in the direction of the trend, which is to the downside. So pullback, continuation is basically just trend following. Then we got reversal. This is where we take the opposite of the trend, because we're expecting the trend to reverse. So say for example, we've got higher highs and higher lows, then we start forming lower highs and lower lows. That bullish trend is now bearish, and vice versa. Bearish trend here, lower lows and lower highs, higher highs and higher lows. Now we're taking buys to interpret what we're expecting the market to reverse. Nothing's 100%, but we're taking buys, expecting that bearish trend, downside trend to reverse to the upside. And then in the first example, we're taking advantage of sells during a bullish trend because we're expecting the market to reverse. And then finally, we've got consolidation / range. This is when the market is moving up and down between a specific high and a specific low and can't go anywhere. And here we look to sell high and buy low essentially. So 90% of my trades are pullback, continuation. Some people focus mainly on reversals, some people focus on consolidation, some people do it evenly spread out, focus on pullbacks, reversals, and ranges just the same amount. But for me, pullbacks and continuations is where I spend most of my time trading the market. So if you're a beginner, you want to assess what do you want to be learning here: pullbacks, reversals, or trading the range. If you want to learn all three, that's fine. But obviously, your attention, your kind of focus is a bit more spread out. If you can focus on just one, try and master that one, and then focus on reversals, and then focus on consolidation, or whichever one you choose. That's a bit more progressive. You'll probably see better results faster because your focus is more narrow. But again, that suits you, whatever type of trader you want to be. Like I said, the majority of my trades are pullback and continuation. And then on the left is a technical analysis. This is how we analyze when that pullback is over, when that reversal is happening, or when that range is about to, continue in the range. This is our tools, our techniques to interpret what's going here on the right. Now, I've boxed this off. These are the three main things I look for in my type of trading, my strategy: candlestick analysis, market structure, key levels. Those are the three things I'm looking at, regardless of whatever happens. Those are my core techniques, strategies, what I use to analyze and trade the market. And then underneath are the confluence, and there's so many confluence. These are just confluence that I've listed, technical tools that I've listed off the top of my head, because there's so many. There's I don't know how many, but there's a lot of stuff that I haven't even begin to actually look at. That's how many different types of technical tools there are. So we've got trend lines, session highs, session lows, daily, weekly highs, weekly lows, Fibonacci retracement, moving averages, pivot points, overbought, oversold indicators, volume indicators, and so on and so forth. These are all so many things you can look to learn. Again, there's a lot of content about these different types of tools. They're all great, but again, you don't want to be using these tools on their own. So you don't want to just be using trend lines, nothing else, or fib, nothing else, or volume indicators, nothing else. You want to combine it with other tools to improve your trading. So this is the core for me. This is the core of your trading: candlesticks, market structure, highs and lows, and the key levels, where the key levels of support and resistance, where the market usually turns around. Those are the key things you want to be focusing on learning. And all of this is additional to help with the confluence and our win rate in trading. And we use all of these tools here on the left to interpret what's going on the right, when that pullback and that continuation is going to happen, when that reversal is going to happen, and when that consolidate. Oh, I actually did a misspelling there. I did not realize. My bad. Consolidation. That is not a good look there. Excuse me for that. So yeah, consolidation range. Same thing to the market. Start between two barriers, a high and a low, resistance and support. And again, I'll be doing more videos on support and resistance, so look out for that. But we use the tools on the left to interpret what is going on in the right. So as a beginner, you want to be focusing on identifying what you want to learn. Do you want to learn pullbacks, reversals, consolidation? Then on the left, this is the core. So this is for me, you must want to learn. And then once you've got that down, and the pullback or the reversal, the consolidation, then you can look at combining some of these to improve your win rate and improve your trading, and slowly just add to the pile of what you've got, and then take away the things that you don't need as well. So that's the guide, guys. You want to be focusing on one of these three things, or all three if you want to. Recommend just choosing one, but that's up to you. And then the candlestick analysis, market structure, the key levels are the must, and all of these guys are additional, and you can add them to your trading as you go along. But yeah, guys, I'll be doing more videos specifically on pullback, continuation, reversals, consolidation, and all the things on the left. So make sure you're subscribed, to make sure you don't miss out. Hit the bell as well. But guys, I hope you found this video useful, and if you have any questions, if I've going over something too fast, you didn't quite understand, just leave a comment and I'll be sure to reply to you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, found it useful. If you like the video, hit the like button. It really does help the channel out. But guys, I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll catch you all in the next one.